In this video, I'm going to show you how to make screenshots of a website's mobile version automatically and in bulk. As an example, we will be capturing the mobile pages of an online art gallery. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. To capture mobile page screenshots in bulk, we'll use the bulk website Screenshot Maker. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster, create a free Botster account and log in. Open the bulk website Screenshot Makers page. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste the links to mobile website pages. Set the screen type. For example, mobile. Select the screenshot image extension. Specify if you need to capture entire long mobile pages. Specify if you want date and URL watermarks to be printed on the screenshots. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted mobile screenshots to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've made screenshots of the mobile version of our target website automatically and in bulk. Sign up on Botster, make mobile screenshots using the bulk website Screenshot Maker, and get access to dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.